Hey friends, it's Kelly, and welcome to this week's Aldi finds for the week of December 24th. From coffee bar to clean bathroom to an organized life, Aldi has it all. We're going to start with the baby, kids, and toys section. We just have one item here, and it is the Fido Bath Time books. You can choose from Bluey, Counting 1, 2, 3, Disney, Pixar, Paw Patrol, or Winnie the Pooh, only $8.99. Next up is the home and decor section. We have the Easy Home Squatting Stool. It comes in gray or white for $9.99. We have the Kirkton House 18-inch by 30-inch comfort cushion kitchen mat. We have 6 beautiful designs to choose from, only $7.99. We have the Kirkton House 3-piece memory foam bath set. It comes in blue, charcoal green, or tan, $12.99. We have the Kirkton House Cushion Grip Bath Mat. You can get it in blue, gray, white, or beige, which is not pictured, for only $6.99. We have the Kirkton House Scandy Bath Bin. It comes in black or white for $12.99. And we have the Kirkton House Scandy Bath Brush. That comes in black or white for $12.99 as well. We have the Kirkton House Tiered Tray. You can get black rectangle, white wash round, or natural rectangle, $9.99. And of course, we have to have the Kirkton House Tray Objects. It looks like it's tea and coffee, $5.99, and there's 4 sets to choose from. We also have the Bath Towel and Bath Buddy Set. You can get Bluey, Hello Kitty, Spider-Man, or Stitch, $16.99. And the last item in this section is the Kirkton House Glass Coffee Candle. There are 3 different scents to choose from, and they're only $5.99. Now we're heading into the home improvement section. We have here the Ambiano Compact Ceramic Heater. You can get it in a black or white base, and it's only $14.99. We have the Easy Storage Decorative Laundry Basket. You can get it in dark gray or light gray at $9.99. And the last item in this section is the Easy Storage Decorative Laundry Hamper, dark gray or light gray, $14.99. And friends, I really want this for my house, my laundry room. And now we're moving into the kitchen supply section. First up, we have the Ambiano electric glass kettle. It's only $19.99, and you can get it in black or blue. Friends, I do not own the Ambiano electric one, but I do have an electric kettle, and I tell you, we use this multiple times a day. Next up, and this is funny because this is the Ambiano handheld frother. You can get it in black, blue, or purple for $7.99. And friends, I have 3 of the black ones. I have one for myself and one for each one of my boys. They have it at college with them. We love these. Next up, it's the Crofton Insulated Stainless Steel Carafe. You can get it in blue or brushed, $14.99. We have the Crofton Acacia Kitchen Assortment. You can get paper towel roll holder, the mug holder, the utensil holder. You can get the black or gold round tray, $7.99 each. That's a good price. And we also have the Crofton French press that comes in black or blue, $7.99. And we have the Crofton glass mug set. It's 2 per pack. It comes in amber, clear, green, or gray, and they're only $3.99 for a pack of 2. We have the Crofton glass teapot that comes in round or square, $9.99. And the last item in this section is the Crofton stoneware canister. You can get coffee, flour, or sugar, $9.99, and the coffee does come with a scoop. Now we're heading into the personal care and beauty section. We just have 2 items here. First up, it's the Visage loofahs. It is a 3-pack, and each pack is has different colors in each pack, and it's only $3.99 each. And I buy these all the time as well, friends. This week is a week where there's a lot of things I have, or there's a lot of things that I want to get. And the other item is the Crane Body Fat Scale. It comes in black or white, $9.99. Now we're heading into the school, office, and art supply section. First up, it's the Pembroke 3-pack gel pens. They are capped pens, and you can get black ink or colored ink for $6.99. And we have the Pembroke 3-pack gel pens, click pens, black ink or colored ink, $6.99. We have the Pembroke 9-inch laminator that comes in white or blue, $19.99. And of course, we have to have the Pembroke laminating pouches. You can get the mixed pouch or the letter size, only $7.99. We have the Pembroke cross-cut paper shredder, comes in black or white, excuse me, blue or white, $29.99. We have the Pembroke desktop dry erase board. There are 6 different boards to choose from, and they're only $7.99. And friends, the long awaited Pembroke Personal Weekly Monthly Planner. Can I just say, I love these things. I have been using them for years. I have been waiting for the last 2 months for these to come out. Even though I know they always bring them out at the very end of the year, it drives me absolutely insane because I'm like planning out to February and March already in my calendar, and I really need this. So you know where I'm going to be Tuesday night and Wednesday morning because I'm hoping they put them out Tuesday night. If they don't, I'll be back again on Wednesday morning. But anyway, enough of me. You can get it in blue floral, day by day, mountain or palm trees, only $9.99. We also have the Pembroke Premium Wall Calendar. You can get flowers, holiday, a day, national parks, or universe, $4.99. And the last item in this section is the Pembroke Specialty Planner. You can get financial, fitness, gratitude, or travel, $7.99. Now we're heading into the snack section. Our first item is Popfully Yellow Popcorn Kernels, only $3.99. And we have the Ritz sandwich crackers. You can choose from cheese or peanut butter, $3.79. And we have the Snyder's of Hanover pretzel sticks or mini multi-pack. There's 20 bags in the box, $9.99. And the last item in this section is the Nabisco 10-pack mini cookies. You can get the Nilla's, Oreo, or the variety pack, $5.89. Now we're moving into the breakfast section, and we just have one item here, and it is the General Mills Cheerios. You can choose from apple cinnamon or banana caramel. Oh, that's a limited edition. $4.93. Now we're heading into the pantry section. First up, we have the Stone Mill popcorn seasoning. You can choose from butter or white cheddar, 49 cents. Great price. We have the Barilla Family Pack Pasta. There are 6 boxes, $8.49. And the last item in this section is the Brisimo coffee syrup. You can choose from caramel coffee or vanilla coffee, $6.99. Now we're heading into the dairy and deli section. First up, we have the French Cravings Dip and Spread. This is an I have never seen before. But again, I'm not quite sure. You can choose from the smoked house burnt ends or hot honey pepperoni pizza. Friends, I'm not sure about this one. If you've seen it, tried it, or plan on trying it, or do try it, come back and let me know. $3.49. We have the Latera Fina quiche. You can get cheddar and broccoli or classic Lorraine, $9.99. And the last item in this section is the Chobani White Chocolate Mocha Coffee Creamer, $4.79. Now we're heading into the frozen foods section. First up, we have the Breakfast Best Mini Sausage Biscuit Sandwich. There are 10 count, $5.79. Season's Choice Frozen Fruit. You can get Island Medley or Paradise Fruit Blend, $6.49. And we have the Season's Choice Garlic Parmesan Roasted Vegetables for $2.99. We have the Whole and Simple Power Bowls for $3.99. And we have the Bona 68-ounce Italian beef for $15.99. The Kirkwood Jalapeno Chicken Bites, $6.99. Steakum Sliced Steaks, there are 10 steaks, $5.49. And the last item in this section is the Mama Cosie's Pizza Kitchen wood-fired pizza. You can choose from Greek style or 5 mushroom for $4.99. Now we're heading into the beverage section. First up, we have the Keurig Lavazza K-Cups. There are 3 different flavors to choose from, and they're only $4.99, and there's 10 cups per box. Next up, we have the Nestle Nescafe Gold Instant Espresso. You can choose from blonde or intense, $7.97. We have the Elevation Ready to Drink Protein Shakes. There are 4 shakes, and you can choose from cafe latte or caramel for only $7.97. We have the Gatorade Gator Light. You can choose from Glacier Freeze, Berry Orange, or Strawberry Kiwi for 2.42 each. And we have the Gatorade Gator Light Zero. You can choose from Fruit Punch or Lemon Lime for 2.42 each. Next up, we have the Gatorade G018 pack. You can choose from Fruit Punch, Grape, and Orange, or the Berry, Glacier Cherry, and Glacier Freeze for $11.98. And friends, the last item for today is the Gatorade Thirst Quencher 18 pack. It's the Fierce Grape, Strawberry, and Berry for $11.98. From Aldi's website, items are available while quantities last. Items are limited and may not be available in all stores. There may be a limit on quantity sold. Prices and labels may vary by location. Aldi is not responsible for printing or typographical errors. Mama Needs a Gold's disclaimer. Mama Needs a Gold is not associated, affiliated, or sponsored by Aldi. I am just a consumer who is sharing her love of Aldi by reposting the Aldi finds. I am not responsible for printing, voiceover, or typographical errors. So, friends, thanks so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't already, please go ahead, hit that little subscribe button, and also please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So I just want to wish everyone happy holidays, Merry Christmas, whatever you celebrate, and the upcoming new year. Please make sure that you stay safe over the holidays, enjoy your family and your friends, and I will see you next time with more great Aldi finds. Bye.